posted any videos in a while because I bought a house. One of the many cool things about this house is at the end of the garden there is a mega workshop. I'm not even really sure what I've been doing in there so far, but it took me no time to generate a colossal pile of sawdust. That, and all the cobwebs, made me realise I could do with a shop vac. In a case of fortuitous timing, a friend of a friend was giving away an old Henry hoover, which seemed like it would be plenty good enough for my needs. It came with a bag of dust already and all, so I thought I should at least give it a clean up before it entered service with me. The pressure washer was a bit overkill, but one thing led to another, and I decided that if I was going to clean it up, I may as well make it my own and paint it trick art purple. The Henry smile is pretty classic, so I traced up its original face and then got painting. While the paint dried, I got the best singer in the house out and recreated the graphics for the machine. A quick coat of lacquer followed, and soon enough it was ready to reassemble. It was beginning to look like a prop out of a Tim Burton movie in its new regalia, so I figured it deserved a new name. And what better than Helena Bonham carpet? It was a bit of a mission to remove the original name from the lid, but after a bit of creative polishing, she was rechristened. Having the shop vac isn't going to help with the colossal amount of scrap wood I've already amassed, and giving the vacuum cleaner a relooking was a massive distraction. But I have gotten rid of all of the cobwebs now, at least, ready for the next project. Thanks for watching.